Bangania.
No, namhlanje into esiyibonile yokuqala i-player of the season Rile Mufokeng.
Right over.
Raife.
Right over.
Raife.
Damko.
Obobus 2.
Yeah.
Goalkeeper of the season.
Yeah.
Sipho Chayini.
Ungena ngapha.
Uphuma ngapha.
Amaketang.
Amaketang bopha kuphela. Obus 3 Andile Tshali mfana sekhaya. Qhubeka uziphuzela utshwala mfana. Yinto esikutshela yona thina ayikho into ozoyisho ayikho into okho wayenzela ibafana bafana yebo ukhe wayiwina i-treble ne-Pirates mara awufani nalomfana lo
And he did good for Bangania.
uphuze utshwala Andile qhubeka uphuze utshwala mfana phuma kurile star lesa i-asset ye-South Africa leya asifuni kumkhompyutha noThemba Zwane lo mfana lo i-asset ye-South Africa.
Man of the match yakho mfethu bani?
Mina kimi ngokuya kwami kumele kube uDian Hotho. uHotho udlale kakhulu namhlanje but i-man of the match izogcina ngoRile Mofokeng. I-player of the season saphinda uRile Mofokeng. Siphinde sisho futhi ku-Minister of Sport ukuthi ungasideleli.
Gaten McKenzie
Ungasideleli.
Wenza
amajoy umela amafans wase-South Africa. Ungakhulumi ukuthanda kwakho. Ufuneka kumadlanga commission. Ungakhulumi ukuthanda kwakho. Amafans webhola ayadeserve ukuyobukela iWorld Cup. Akusama fans werugby kuphela kumele ayodlala iWorld Cup. Thank you.
Danke Salon Bopha.